So hi, I'm Sebastian. I created PHPUnit 25 years ago.
So, Sebastian, what inspired you to create PHPUnit in the first place?
What inspired me to create PHPUnit in the first place? I was building more and more complex PHP applications, and I felt the need to be able to test the code that I write. And I was still at university at the time, and I got exposed really early on to JUnit. And I wanted to have something like it for PHP, and it didn't exist. For a while, I hoped that somebody else would build that and not me, because I just wanted to use it. And then, one day I had a discussion with one of my professors, and he said, "Well, I see that you're interested in this testing topic, but it doesn't exist for PHP. Can I convince you now to go with Java?" And I said, "No, this can be built in PHP," and that sort of sparked like the first couple of days of work on creating what would later become PHPUnit. But this was still in the early PHP 4 days. It was not really easy to implement the way it should have been implemented. So the first proper implementation was a couple of years later with PHP 5, yeah.
First PHP version you started with?
PHP 3.
That's pretty long time ago.
I do not remember the minor version. Okay. Like 3.0, 18, 14, like, yeah.
Something like that. Awesome. What is your favorite obscure PHP function or feature?
I don't know whether that counts as obscure, but every once in a while I need to use debug backtrace to just figure out, like, I'm currently in this method and who called this method. This is something that I need at obscure places, if you will, inside PHPUnit's internals. And I would not recommend using that function in anything that is not as tool related or meta programming related in a thing like PHPUnit, yeah.
Sweet. Dark mode or light mode in your editor?
Dark mode.
Okay.
I mean, is that even a question?
Oh, it's been mixed. You're in the minority right now.
Okay. I can live with that.
And the final one, music or silence when you're coding?
It depends. Sometimes I need music. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes the music gets in the way. Most of the time I do not know up front and find out in the middle, like, why do I have trouble concentrating in the last 5 minutes? Why am I not getting anywhere? And I need music and I don't have music, or the other way around.
Sweet. All right, I'll let you hold that.
Okay.
And then now, Derek Rethens. No.
That would be.
That's why I'm gonna let you do it.
So you want me to say the Derek names?
Let's see. Yes, let's see. Let me make sure I have it right. You're Derek, right?
No, I'm Sebastian.
Oh, well then I'm on the total wrong thing. Sebastian Bergmann.
Yes, that's me.
Yes. What? You created the
PHPUnit, yes.
PHPUnit. Yes, that's it. I was drawing a blank. Okay, then that question was for the whole wrong person. I'm sorry about that. Let's ask you so just if you don't mind, just say your name and what you created, and then I'll ask you a question about it.
Okay.